What's up, guys? Trev here. I have not done a diecast video in a hot second. It just, nothing interesting has come out that has made me want to do a video, but I have this. This is actually, I've had this for like a month. I made a video. I didn't like it. It was done during the evening, so the lighting was terrible, and I scrapped it, but I want to do a video on it. It is the Hot Wheels F1 the movie collaboration, the APXGP car. This was on sale for Mattel Creations. It might still be on sale. It was a pre-order from last year. They hadn't made it yet. And now they've shipped out. Well, they've been shipping out for like the last month. Before I open it, I'm going to talk about the packaging. It's the same as this. This was the Hot Wheels Formula 1 collaboration vehicle thing that I did a video on. Is it chipping? What is going on there? Is that just the graphic? No, I think it might be really chipped there, because, like, I'm a bit concerned about... Okay, let's ignore that. So the packaging is similar to the now, well, apparently now defunct 1/43rd scale premiums, where it is a resealable clamshell, so you can just pop it open. The card kind of bottom part comes out, gives you the instructions about the tires. We'll get to that. You have a card. It's got some gold kind of foil on it, so it has a bit of a sheen to it. And we have the car and the tire rack. Let's look at the tire rack. You have the yellow lipped wheels, or lipped tires, and the red lipped tires, the Pirellis. You have the rear and the front, so you get 2 extra sets of tires there. Than the white lipped ones. I know that it represents different hardness, like the different colors of tires represent different, I guess, the hardness of a tire. I don't remember which one is which, but they are tires that are used in different track conditions. All right, this is actually a brand new F1 casting. If you're not familiar with Formula 1 premiums, for each premium casting, it is a unique tooling depending on the team. This one's actually no different. 2026 copyright date. F1 the movie APXGP is what it's called. The basics all share the same tooling for cost reasons, but the premiums do get their own unique toolings, and this one is no different. So the F1 movie came out last year. I actually did see it. Brad Pitt comes in and, well, he's Sonny Hayes in the movie, but it's played by Brad Pitt. He comes in to save this Formula 1 team that is financially in the dumps. The movie's been out long enough to where I believe I can say that he did succeed. The team did win in the end. It's all celebration, confetti, yay. And then Brad Pitt goes and does other stuff in, like, Mexico. He does, like, a Baja race. Anyway, I mean, that is spoilery, but the movie's been out for, like, a year now. So I feel like you've had time to watch it. I'm here to look at the car. Got the Expensify decals on it. It's got this like gold trim. The car's black with some gold trim. You have the Pirelli tires on it. Geico, a lot of sponsors on this. Shark, Ninja, MSC, AMG. Oh, I think that says Hayes. Yeah, that's Hayes. Hayes S. American flag too. So there's the driver name. Tommy Hilfiger, EA Sports. More sponsors here on the front. Looks like I might have gotten a bit of Tampa slide. It's like a bit off-center, maybe. Mercedes-Benz logo, number 7. There's Sonny Hayes in there. There is his helmet. There's the halo with some other sponsors and whatnot. More gold trim. There's the wing. This is a plastic part. And yeah, these F1 premiums are quite nice. They are, this part here is metal. This is plastic. The body here is metal. Looks pretty good. You got the steering wheel's probably molded in there, right? Yeah, it is. You can barely see it. You can't really see it with the halo and everything in the way. This doesn't look bad. I'll demonstrate a tire change. This is a very brief video. I've been sitting on this forever. So you just kind of take the tire off. And then we're going to just take the red one. I'm not going to do like a full tire swap. I don't really care enough. But you kind of just, I think you just kind of push the tire out. Maybe. I don't know which way is easier. I don't really know. I'm just going to kind of try and do it on camera as best as I can. You just kind of push the wheel out. It comes off. There's the tire. You can put it on here. Yay. Tire change. I'm going to keep it as white, though. I don't want to do that 4 or 3 more times. All right, we can just put this back on like that. And there you go. Tire change is done. Oh yeah, the little stand here is white, has F1 the movie, APXGP, APXGP on that side. There is a new version of the Hot Wheels Formula One collaboration they put pre-orders up for it earlier this year. I didn't get it because it looks kind of ugly to me. This doesn't look bad. If you watch the movie, if you like the movie, you'll probably like this. I think it's solid. Unique thing about this, though, is that, like I said, it is a new casting. This is a unique casting for this release, but the actual movie car was actually an F2 car with a body kit made by Mercedes, which is why it's got the Mercedes logo there and AMG there, because it's an F2 car with a Mercedes F1 body kit, basically. So, little fun fact there. It looks good. It looks good. If you like the movie, you'll probably like this release. APXGP there on the back. Yeah, not bad. That is it. I don't really have much to say about this. I vaguely keep up with F1. So far, all the races have happened like middle of the night for me, so I've been sleeping. But it ain't bad. I mean, I enjoyed the movie. I thought it was fun. And yeah, that's the Formula One movie Hot Wheels thing. I'm about a month late, but it's okay. I think it's a solid release. And that's the car.